We are pleased to show you the 2026 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.